What is the best tire sealant that you have on the market? And I have here two of the best if you ride electric unicycle, electric skateboards, electric scooters, electric bikes, or even normal bikes. You can also use this. But which one do I recommend to use? Armor-Dilloz, I don't know if I'm saying the name right, or Slime. If you want to know everything about this one, stay tuned until the end of the video. Hi everyone, Marcus here from MADpack, and if you love EUCs, PVs and everything that have a E of electricity, this is the place for you. And before I start, I want to thank High-End Scooters to send me these products to review and to give you my honest opinion about using this type of products, and when do I think that I really miss it, and that's why I thought it would be interesting to talk about it. And he decided to send me the Slime, that you can easily purchase this everywhere, and the Armor-Dilloz that is basically produced in Miami, and this guy rides one wheels and he starts testing out with his friends, and you have plenty of videos of him doing plenty of holes on his one wheel, and he can cover always the holes up to ½ of an inch, so very impressive. And when he tests side by side the Slime against the Armor, the amount of air that he lost, it was 1.5 psi with this one and 10 psi with the Slime. Definitely I can already say to you guys which one is the easiest one to choose. But in the end of the day, we have here also a big difference of price. But that is up to you, and that is something that you basically put on your tire and you don't have to concern about it. Did I have many holes and many punctures on my electric unicycles? No, I didn't. That is something that I'm not so concerned about it. But when you go in a trip like I went with my wife, and we went in Scotland full of stones and stuff, you start thinking about that you should have purchased something of this. Obviously, like I said already, this one, the Armor-Dilloz, is better than the Slime. Obviously, if you want to spend less, it's better to have this one than having nothing. But this one was made for electric unicycles, for electric scooters, so this is specifically for us. So that's why I continue to say I will really recommend you to use this one, and it was tested properly in many videos that you don't see cuts, so you can see that it's real. This product really works. But when I was in this trip, I was always concerned to be with a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, and you can imagine it's definitely not the best idea. Another thing that also I think that this is good is if you have a flat tire and you are just going up to 40 miles per hour, this can save your life. Yes, because obviously if you have a puncture and your tire lose 1.5 psi or you lose 10, is the difference from having less 10 psi, let's put in the worst case scenario, than having basically your tire completely flat. And you can imagine if you are in an electric unicycle, you have just one tire on the floor, and I'm sure it's not going to be a pleasant experience. If you are in an electric skateboard, and if we imagine that my phone is the electric skateboard, you have a flat tire, it's definitely sure that you are going to have some wobble. Another thing that I want just to point it out is how you feel it. So when you are on the Slim, you have your tool here that you are going to take out, obviously, the valve that you have on your tire. And if you are using the Armor-Dilloz, you'll have some metal part that I don't know where it is. It was on the table, but I can't find it. But anyway, it's going to work exactly in the same way. How you use it on your electric unicycle, every single bottle of this one, you can use it basically 2 times. So if you buy this one, you'll be able to fill 2 of your electric unicycles. So for all these reasons, I will definitely recommend you to purchase one of them. By the way, thank you once again very much to High-End Scooters to send me these products to review and to give my thoughts about it. If you want to get them a little bit cheaper, feel free to use the discounts below from High-End Scooters if you are in the UK. If you are outside of the UK, I'll recommend you to use the other link that I leave in the description below, where you can purchase this normally on Amazon. Like you can understand, I really recommend to use this not only to don't have a flat tire, but also for your safety. Let me know in the comments below what is your thoughts about using Slime, and what is your experience. Do you think that is a good idea to have the Slime or the Armor-Dilloz? I'm not even sure that the name you pronounce in this way. If you have any questions about these ones, feel free to comment below. My name is Marco, this is MADpack. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment below, smash the thumbs up, do whatever you want, but always with a smile on your face. And I hope to see you with Slime or Armor-Dilloz in the next one.